All right, Sasika students. So I'm going to explain to you what is fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Hope you know the difference between arithmetic and mathematics. Maths is like a bigger set, and arithmetic is the heart of mathematics. Plus, minus, multiply, division, all these basic functions, powers, exponents, all those basic functions are covered in arithmetic. If you don't know arithmetic, you can never understand and enjoy mathematics. Arithmetic is the heart of mathematics. What is fundamental theorem of arithmetic? It says if you have a composite number, obviously a composite number which has factors more than 2. Let's say we have composite number 20. It says every composite number can be expressed as product of product of some prime numbers or product of its prime factors. In this case, this product will be 2 into 2 into 5. You see, they are unique, they are prime numbers, 2, 2, 5, right? And this is unique. Fundamental theorem of arithmetic says this is unique, except for the fact that its order can vary. Order can vary. Order can vary means 2 into 5 into 2. You can write this also, right? Now, this fundamental theorem of arithmetic is a beautiful theorem. Though it looks very simple. Simple things in the life sometimes, really, you know, make you puzzle. So, how can we find LCM and HCF using fundamental theorem of arithmetic? In the last video, we have uploaded on Learn CBSE. I've explained how Euclid division algorithm can be used to find out HCF. Today we're going to learn how to find HCF and LCM by fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Right? Let's say we have two numbers 6 and 20. Right? Now let's do prime factorization. 6 is equal to 2 into 3. We're not going to multiply by 1 because 1 is not a prime number. Hope you know that 1 is not a prime number. Why? Because 1 has only one factor and a prime number has only and only two factors. Right? 6 is equal to 2 into 3 and 20 is equal to 2 into 2, 4 into 5. These are the prime factorizations of 6 and 20. Remember that 20 can be written as 10 into 2, but this is not prime factorization of 20. Prime factorization of 20 is 2 into 2 into 5. Right? So, now very simple thing. If you want to find out the HCF, if you want to find out the HCF of 6 and 20. According to fundamental theorem of mathematics, it is a product of smallest power of each common prime factor in the prime number. It is the product of the smallest powers, product of the smallest. I would request people who are listening, they must write it side by side. When you write, you understand better. Product of the smallest powers of each common prime factor, each common prime factor in the numbers. Once again, what is HCF? Product of the smallest powers of each common prime factors in the numbers. Okay, let's see what does it mean. Now, see that when we want to find out the HCF of 6 and 20, what is the product of smallest powers of each common prime factor? Now, what are the prime factors? So prime factors are just, in this case, the common factors are only 2 and 2. The common factors are just 2. Now what is that? Product of smallest powers of each common prime factor in the H. So simply HCF is 2 raised to power 5. So that is equal to 2 raised to power 1. Right? If you want to find out the LCM of 6 and 20, that is equal to product of greatest powers of each prime factor. Product of greatest power of each prime factor involved in the numbers. Involves in the numbers. Which numbers? These numbers. So what is the product of greatest power of each factor? Let's see. Product of greatest powers of each prime factor. There's no common thing here. Product of greatest power of each prime factor. What is the product of greatest powers of each prime factor? Product of greatest power of each prime factor involved in the numbers. So first is 2 raised to power 2 here, right? And then we have 3, what's the power? Raised to power 1. And what we have? Last one is 5 raised to power 1. Product of greatest power of each prime factor involved in the number. So we're not going to do 2 is to 2 in 2 raised to power 3, because if 2 was 3 times here, we could have written 2 raised to power 3, right? We're not talking about common thing. So what is LCM? 5, 3 is a 15, and 15, 2 into 2 is 4. 15 4 is a 15, 4 is a 60, right? This is all about the application of fundamental theorem of mathematics in finding out LCM and HCF. To listen to more videos, subscribe, learn CBSE. Wish you all the best.